Hi guys, welcome back. In the previous video, you have seen how to create a simple or sample first application into Android Studio Arctic Fox. Now here we are going to see once we have created the application, how we are going to run it into an emulator, or you can say Android virtual device. Android has provided some virtual devices for us to practice, and we can see how our application can run. Except some of the features like camera or location you cannot properly see here, but all other things, all other functionality with the help of Android virtual devices you can see here and run your application. To create an Android virtual device, you have to go to the AVD manager. You can see it here on the right side top. It will show the icon of the phone, and then you can see these options are available here. Like I have already created one Android virtual device. Now what I have to do, I will click on create virtual device, and there are various kind of virtual devices you can see like Pixel, Pixel 5, Pixel 4 XL, 3a and various. So whatever you would like to choose, you can simply choose it. For example, if I want to choose this, I can simply click on it and I can click on next. Also, if you are making some applications for the TV, then you can choose this kind of Android virtual devices, which will help you to properly create the application according to your deployment device. So we have Wear OS also, tablet also, automotive also. So there are various categories. We will learn here about the phone. So I will choose Pixel XL and click on next. Now once you click on next, there are various kind of APIs integrated. The thing is, whenever we make an Android application, there are various versions in Android. So we have to make sure whatever the Android virtual device we are creating, it is to be latest. So we can see it is perfectly working into the latest operating system, or you can say latest API level of Android. So whatever I want, like for example, I want to check for Marshmallow, Nougat, Oreo, Pie, Q and R. So whatever I would like to choose, I can simply choose. So if it is not there, it will show you the download option. As you will click on the download option, it will ask you to simply install. Currently I will not install, so I will cancel it. So once you've done it, you click on next and it will be done. Once this application has been, or this virtual device has been already been created, it will show you like this here. Now to start this, you can have option various kind of, like you can simply click here and then you can start, or you can simply click on run the app, or you can use Shift 10 for a shortcut to run the application. Now one more thing, into Android virtual device we have to be careful. Sometimes what happen that whenever we run the Android virtual device, our UI doesn't works. This happens, and in that case the toast message does not come. So we can simply troubleshoot this Android virtual device with the help of like this. Right click here, you can say duplicate wipe data, cold boot now, show on this. So there are various options also. You can see it here where exactly is that location of that Android devices. If I do shift it here a little bit, you can see it here on the right side is a device X file explorer. So we will learn some of the things in which we can simply see that what are the things which is available for this device explorer feature is given to here. So we can see it into the future videos. So what we can do it here, for example, if UI is not working of your Android virtual device, and then at that time if you have used some application with the help of like toast, the toast will not show and you will think that code is wrong. This is a real example I'm telling you, which is a kind of experience I'm sharing it with you. What you can do, simply click on it here and simply wipe data. You can simply wipe all the data and you start it and it will work perfectly fine. So what I will do now, I will simply press Shift 10 and make my application to run, and we will see how does it actually works. Now its application is running. As you can see, Hello World is here. Now this Hello World application is perfectly running here on our device. In the next video, guys, we will learn about what are the different widgets. As you can see here, this is a widget area, scroll view, text view. How we are going to learn about these widgets. I will not explain the widgets like simply one by one. I will explain the widgets with a live example of creating some application. With the help of that, it will be quite easy for you to understand. So subscribe my video, guys, if you like it, and be in touch, and you will get new updates and the new videos. I request you, you can give me the comments, you can also ask me the questions. Also, you can request me any kind of application to be developed. I will help you out to develop in that applications. So Guys, subscribe my channel. See you in again video. Thank you.